Hi everybody, thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Before we get this video started, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. It helps my page grow and helps people find it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for all of your love and support. Happy holidays. Hello, today I'm going to be applying makeup in front of my Jack Skellington tree, my Christmas tree. And I got my Jack Skellington, well, I have a Jack Skellington pattern headband, but I have an actual Jack Skellington hat. And I'm wearing black, and we're going to get started. All right, so I already applied my foundation and my highlight and contour with cream. Now I'm going to enhance it, the highlight and contour, with a powder to brighten up the under eyes. Ooh, baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to ya and apply some beige highlight. Now I'm going to apply a light contour. I'm going to start light. Do, 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 do. Light contour is the best contour to begin with, because if you start off with a darker shade, it's gonna be hard to blend away. Now we're going to enhance with a medium contour, just in the top. Just on the top right here. Just on the top. Aki. Aki. Okay. My voice kind of screeched. Okay. Sound like a bird. Ooh. Now I'm going to apply blush. A nice pink blush. On the top of the cheek right here. Ooh. On top of the cheek. Wait till you see the look. It's inspired by Jack Skellington's Christmas tree. Well, it's the theme Jack Skellington, but you know what I mean. Gonna apply some blush on the tops of the cheeks. Ooh. Apply a highlighter on top of that. Okay, so The Nightmare Before Christmas is basically a Christmas movie and a Halloween movie all in one, so you can watch it year round. As if Halloween and Christmas is year round. Why not? Live your life, do what you want. There are no rules in life. Now for the brows. Brows, wow. Now I'm applying the charcoal gray eyeshadow. I know it looks kind of heavy with the application. Trust the process, okay? Because Jack Skellington would appreciate the depth that I'm creating here. I'm creating a lot of, oh my goodness, I said depth. It's like Johnny Depp, and Johnny Depp is always a part of Tim Burton's film franchise. Johnny Depp, you the best. Yes, always. I created a Edward Scissorhand a mannequin. What a laugh. No, I did a long time ago. I have mannequin heads for hairstyling, where you practice creating updos and hair colors and braiding the hair and styling the hair. And I actually used it to create Edward Scissorhands type of look. I have to refresh it because it's been so long, but I'll show you at the end of the video because I don't feel like getting up. It's actually on top of my bookcase, so you're gonna have to wait. Oh my goodness, Johnny Depp. I haven't worn heavy makeup like this in a long time. In my other video, the first video that I applied my makeup for the first time with my new hair color, I spoke about when I was younger, I would wear a smoky eye all the time. It's true. I haven't worn a smoky eye like this in a long time. A very long time. But again, I'm back and I'm better than ever. So we're gonna go along and create a masterpiece of a smoky eye. Okay. What's this? What's this? It's pink, gonna blend the crease. We're gonna blend the crease. What's this? I hear music in the air. I'm gonna create a flare with this makeup look. Hey. I'm blending some light pink shades on top of my smoky eye. But don't worry, be happy, and it's gonna be okay. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. I'm going to apply a highlighter shade, the same one I applied on my cheeks. I'm gonna apply it right above the blend, so there's a glow. You see the glow now? You see it? You see it? Okay. We're not done yet. I look crazy, pero you gotta trust the process. When you're creating, you gotta trust the process. Okay? Do not disregard underneath the eyes. Don't disregard. Apply. Okay, apply. You see the difference? Look at the difference. It's a big difference. I'm going to be applying silver eyeshadow in the place where I'm going to apply the glitter, just as a background color. You see? That's what I'm doing now. You see the difference? Yes, look at that. Ooh. Now off to apply the glitter. Let's go, 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 Power Rangers. Oh wait, that's not the theme. Just a dab. And there we have the silver glitter. But don't worry, we are not done. We still have to blend some things together. Ooh, yes. Look at the glitter. Ooh, the glitter. I blended, you see, it's blended. And you see the glitter. I added a lot of glitter. I had to brush them off of my cheeks. But remember, we need to reflect like a diamond. We need to reflect the light, okay? You see? Reflect like a diamond. Reflect like a diamond. Reflect like a diamond. Wow. I used to wear my makeup like this all the time. I had a Revlon. It was a Revlon color stay, something like this. Ooh, a Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow, and then half of it was silver and the other half was black. And I would create smoky eyes like it was nobody's business. Like there was no tomorrow. I would apply smoky eyes. I feel like it's starting to look like the eyeshadow look that Aaliyah had in her music video. I believe it's 1 in a Million. That she had a really metallic look in every single scene. She had, I believe it was maybe blue, but she was just amazing. She had the most iconic makeup looks and hair looks. She was amazing. I'll be more than a lover, more than a lover, more than a lover for you. I'll be more than a woman, more than a woman, more than a woman for you. I'm telling you, eyeliner creates the most dramatic difference. Look. What? Eyeliner is done. Ooh. Ooh. I'm debating whether or not to apply eyeliner on the bottom, but I think I need to do that because that's gonna complete it. I feel that's what we need. And then I'm going to be applying some mascara and some lashes. Ooh, I feel this is more of a Egyptian Cleopatra kind of eyeliner. Ooh. Okay, it's applied. It created a more dramatic look. The other one was a little bit cleaner looking, but this is a little bit more dramatic. Now apply mascara. Mascara. I know that a lot of people, they open their mouth like this when they apply mascara, but I don't. Well, right now, technically I am speaking, but this is how I apply mascara. This is how I do it. Applying the lash number 1. Lash number 1. You don't breathe when you do this. Hold your breath. Yes, you hold your breath. Okay. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm, and it's easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. Should've known better than to cheat a friend. Wasted time. Wait, I wasted a chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. Oh. The music seems so loud. I wish that we can lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way. Wow. We could have been so good together. We could have made this love last forever. But no one's gonna dance with me. Please stay. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm, and it's easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. Okay, I'm gonna apply the other one. All right, we can breathe again. Now I'm going to add bronzer, and I'm gonna, you know, add a little bit here and there to add the finishing touches. The finishing touches, okay? The faces we make when we apply makeup are crazy. Crazy girl. Ooh. You know, my makeup video wouldn't be complete without adding more blush, okay? Because I love blush. Blush makes everything better. It makes everything better. And here, everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Also, this video wouldn't be complete without adding more of highlight. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That's what we're gonna do. Jack Skellington and Sally would be, oh, and Zero, the characters from The Nightmare Before Christmas, would be proud of my smoky eye and my dramatic lashes. I feel this is a very Tim Burton-esque character look with the big eyes that are smoky with the pink cheeks. But I'm not done with the look yet because we gotta apply some lipstick. Yep, we're almost done. You see? Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know if it was recording, but I'm applying more highlight, because we need to add more. More is more, okay? And I'm gonna layer another one because I can. Because why not? Baby girl, what's your name? Reflect like a diamond that's the same. Okay. Okay, we're gonna apply some on the nose like this. Cute. We so cute. We're like Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. It's time. It's time to apply lipstick. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. We're starting to look very nice. Ooh. Okay. Lipstick application time. Ooh, the lipstick looks good. It matches everything. Well, this is the final look. What do you think? Ooh. Ooh. Inspired by my Jack Skellington Nightmare Before Christmas tree. Ooh, look at the glow for the light. Sally's hair is red. Obviously, I can't apply red blush, but it's in the same family. It's pink and it's glowy. And the smoky eye with the silver, you know, Jack Skellington's attire is exactly this color scheme. Ooh. I love it. It came out really cool. Thank you guys for watching the video, and stay tuned. I'm going to continue to upload more content. If you haven't already, like this video, send it and share it with your friends and family, and comment down below if you are a Nightmare Before Christmas fan, or if you already have your holiday decorations up. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to hear from you guys. I am so excited about the holiday season. I know I say this in every video, but I'm really excited about it. I've already created another Christmas theme makeup video with my Star Wars tree. If you haven't seen that, visit my page and you're gonna love that as well. And I have a video when I apply makeup for the first time with my new hair color, because I haven't always been a brunette. I was a redhead for about, say, 7 years, and now I'm back. Ooh. And better than ever. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Well, here's the makeup look with the hat on, because I filmed without the hat, but this is the Jack Skellington hat. Okay, and it completes the look. It tops it off. Do you get it? It tops it off. Okay. Look at the makeup look. We're doing good. We're doing good.